Hello, I Xposed GH, from Bruce. Patch subscribe, mommy. Na share mobi. They be a cast of us, and my people must say, more bad style, but whatever. Criticizing the church too much. And yet criticizing, criticizing, but I'm somebody, I'm a Christian. So whatever I say, if I'm saying something bad against the church, I'm saying it to myself. But we are saying, if we don't purge ourselves, we can never get the best out of ourselves. That's my belief. But let me the good news now, bro. One person that I have always respected, admired, and cherished since my childhood. And then, why I should cherish him more. There's a church in the north, Tamale to be precise, Fountain Gate Chapel, one of the biggest church in the north. I almost saw a friend Eastwood, Anaba. Something which I don't know, but he has held the faith till date. Nemako crusade, menkani yao, but enemies who video be na Emma mijidi as a Christian no atum. Now mama will say the Christianity fraternity no is not as gloomy as we all paint it is. You go video in Bible metwas.
What's your name? Charles. What work do you do? You were working with a company and collapsed. What company was that? Susu. So are you married? You have 3 children. And you are married. 3 children. What do they eat? What do they eat?
It's my wife, that is.
Your wife is supporting. Where is she? She's in the house. What's she doing in the house? What does she do to support?
She's a hairdresser, but she's the shop. She's in the house managing.
She's doing what?
She's a hairdresser.
So you are here praying. What do you pray?
I was asking God to help me.
God to help me. Can 10 people bring me 100 Ghana to give to this man? 10 people bring me 100 Ghana cedis. I want to give it to him to take home. And tell the wife, I have arrived. I went to church. I have arrived. I went to God's house and I prayed. And the pastor picked me up. He didn't just lay hands on me. He collected 100 Ghana cedis from the members and gave me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Those are pounds now. This is pound sterling, 10 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I asked for 10 people. I've had 19. Can I have one more? Uzo. Oh, thank you. Wow. This is 400 Ghana cedis. The Christianity is easy, but we make it difficult. One story at a time can make a difference. Lazarus was one story. The widow of Zarephath and Elijah was one story. Blind Bartimaeus was one story. And the story was told over and over and over again. Charles is one story. And the story will be told over and over and over and over. When he goes home today, and tells the wife, I went to church, the wife will not say you are a fool. What was the prayer you were praying? You reign, Zion's king.
So we are Marshall. This is very touching story. Now Debia may say, there are always bad nuts and there are good nuts. When I see the bad nut, I'll talk about it. But when I see the good nut too, I'll speak about it. And you say, yeah, criticize it, say, yeah, kakeke. But we want the church to be better. Yes. This is a man who has suffered, perhaps. We, Abraham, but this is a man and not all crusade. Nani men they perish in an accident. Ebia hu picture no. Mia kameka se nyame wapo mia po me ma. No a crusade. But unim oti nyame ase. Onum nyame eno di mi asem. Enti wampaba na nyo ye wa sorry there ni mo no. What's a brother for Kutia no soon? Yes. You see, idea way is what I want the Christian churches to emulate. Because emulator, one almost no munyebi. Yes. It's not all about come and donate to the church, come and pay to the church. What are you giving back to society? Now say me who my friend Esther Smith video be. Ose abrochire omo pan sorry refreshment is compulsory. Do you know why? All banu wenidi eno we betra sorry dem o. So refreshment is compulsory. Misika na media ban mami unya sika no so fa so. Yes. Yesu o preaching in area say go and find them food. Because on him say so unya the spiritual aspect now you also need what physical aspect because we are flesh and blood. The spirit is within me. And then you're quite sorry. Obi ba sorry. One will send into matite. Oh, shana your fe. One blessed shepherd now what's ho? Eti mame no buy na into matite no. Eti into ma ba kubi na win so on the man and nanka ye dien. And then ye pa ni se be koni ahye ye nkom. Compassion. One of the core mandates of Christianity is lost. She say Christoni ni young Christoni ni honya no po. Yes. Because sabe osofo na mu no oba sore no what revealed mu wa pa nkofo nyina nsuo so to wa kwa do any tinjon wa kwa gina asore dem mu be ba preach. Who are you going to preach to? Osofo a who cast 10 20 oh, fellow pastors, pastor Biakwe and you're happy. You are saying God has blessed me. What about your members? What about junior pastors? Hasn't God blessed them too? As so for be a person, taking the church to be their personal property. But this man has shown say otinyamiase mase. Nyoye no memania so meaning say osonso ania so. Enti wo a wo hwe me na wo su ye Kristonia enne me show e hye na Yesu share ni bi. Be compassionate to people. Uhu sa wo nua ni bia mane bi ndi. Sika bi wo ho nyame de mouse anya ode ye o. E obi dia. Nyame se je na fa komo obi. Nyame fa ni pass no hye obi. Enye sika ni nyina na ye ode ya. Onam ho okom diobi enye sanka nipa ni bisa mani bi no ndi aduane efa ya ha enye hwe uwo bia sika ya say escafo no omchimode uchimuode ubewu wo sikam spread your wings Be compassionate. Na ne ene Eastwood aye no. Minim se nyame be hye na namu. Ni oye no he, mi hwe video na mi su. Mi hwe video me se why ade ama na kamakoma na mi se video na so hwe no. Akamakoma. Sa sorry na wo pastor anya bi aka che ne se wonya bi. Wo pon sorry a oma obia refreshment. Sika na omototo no edoso. My first can go bank. This church has money. What are you using it for? Because all buy and you know did here. Obi okra aduane na bi ni fie wa ba sorry. Obi amana aduane ndi. Wo ye suffer amana aduane ndi. Wo amana aduane ndi a preaching na preaching and krontie. Nyame so bo be bisa wo ho. I expose you HFM Bible social na frame ya. Major man we say I'm out.